how to change the TikTok app language. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it. So first thing first, you have to launch your TikTok application. Once done, make sure that you are at least logged into your TikTok account and tap onto your profile. Now, in order to change the TikTok app language, we have to access the settings. For that, tap on three bar icon, select settings and privacy. Scroll below. Under content and display, you will see language here, open it. And at this section, you will see app language. By default, my app language is US. You can go ahead and select from these various given options. Once you're satisfied, tap on done on your top right hand side. Just like so guys, this is how you can do it. Thank you all for watching, and if it had helped you in any ways, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.